When you're doing search-based YouTube automation, you always want to be checking your analytics to see what videos are actually taking off for you, to see what you can improve on. And you need to be checking these consistently so you have a good grasp of what is working on your channel, what is not working on your channel, so you can do more of what works and less of what doesn't actually work. So I wanted to find out roughly how much does YouTube pay per month for around 200, just over 200 videos that I upload in a month's time. Okay, and obviously the views will increase over time, but from the first day of upload towards the 1 month completion period. So what you can actually do within your YouTube analytics, and I'm on the analytics of my YouTube channel right now, if you just go and click on see more on your analytics, this will take you into the advanced analytics for your channel, where you can see various different things, exactly what's happening on your channel. And if you click on the plus, you can sort by views, engaged views. You can even scroll down and sort by RPM, and this gives you all the advanced analytics that you need. So one feature of YouTube analytics that I use quite often is the groups section. So what you can do is where it says controls and then your channel name, you can click on your drop down of your channel name, and then you can see here groups. Okay, so click onto groups, and I've actually gone ahead and put some videos in groups so that they are easily tracked within my analytics. So you can see I have this group right here that has 233 videos in it. So if I click into this group, you can see over the last 28 days, this group of 233 videos actually brought in almost 42,000 views and $64 in estimated revenue. Now this is going to be per month, so as these videos and this is just after about just over a month since these videos have been uploaded. So the more that you keep these videos uploaded on your channel, more of them are actually going to start ranking in the search results, and this number is just going to go up. Okay, so you can track various different things about these videos based off of this information. For instance, you can open up a calculator and you can say, okay, I got 42,000 views, and then you divide that by the amount of videos, so 233 videos. So I'm getting roughly at this point in time 180 views per video per month. Okay, and then you can do a calculation. So with YouTube groups, you can actually batch up to 500 videos in the group. Okay, so if it, and this is just recently, so this is after the first month. So by month 6, these numbers are going to be much higher. But you can just calculate roughly, if I have 180 video views per video per month, and I do 500, and that completes a full batch of videos, then that's roughly 90,000 views. Divide that by 1,000 and then multiply that by your RPM, then it's roughly going to be $189 or $190 per 500 videos that I do, which will probably be around more or less in about a 6-month time period. It's more likely to be like $250 to $300 per month per batch of 500 videos. So this is great. So after a month, you can expect anywhere from $50 to $64, $100, depending on how well the videos actually did. And you can see this one did quite well. It got 12,000 views, then 5,000, 7, and then 1,000 views. Okay, and what you can do is you can scroll down on this list and it will list out all your videos. So that's not the only batch that I did this with. So this is a new batch. Okay, so all the data isn't fully there yet, because it says last 28 days, and then if I go on to lifetime, okay, it was about 40,000 views over the last 28 days. So the lifetime is $44,072 in total revenue. Okay, so if I just switch it now back to the last 28 days, and then I go to a much older group that I actually have here. So you can see that I have these 3 of 500. These are full batches, 500 videos in there, 500 videos in here, 500 videos. So we can see these were uploaded in 2023. these 1,500 videos. Okay, so if I click into the first batch, we'll be able to see that currently it's still bringing in $23 per month for that batch. And then we can take a look at another batch. So these videos have kind of lost their momentum and they're not bringing in that many views. Okay, that batch brings in $47 per month. And then the last batch of 2023 videos is this one right here, and this one still brings in 45. So you can expect your videos to still bring in you consistent money months and even years after you have uploaded them. So if you're wondering how much did this batch of 500 videos actually bring me in revenue, what you can do is you can just switch it to the lifetime, which is why I like using these batches of 500, because you can really start to see what's working on your channel and what's not working. So I believe these are also low CPM videos or low RPM, but you can see that batch of 500 videos brought me in $6,222. So then you can do another calculation, and this is where search-based YouTube becomes really powerful. $6,222 for 500 videos. Then you want to divide that by there's 500 of these videos, and I'm earning $12 per video. So if you I'm earning $12 per video. If you're paying even just $5 a video, you're still profiting $7 every single time you upload a video. Let's take a look at another batch that did even better than that. So let's take a look at this one right here that's still bringing in, I believe, $45 every 28 days. So we'll just take a look at this here real quick as the YouTube Studio loads up. You can see this batch of, okay, there's 499 videos in this batch. Okay, and this one brought in $9,000 for the 500 videos. So you can see 9022 divided by 499, and now I'm making $18 every single time I upload a video. So if you give your videos enough time to actually rank in the YouTube search results, these are the type of results you can expect. So 18, and you're paying $5 per video, and you're still profiting $13 every time you make a video. So if you know this information and you're making $18 per actual video that you upload, and you upload 2,000 videos, then you're going to make $36,000 with those 2,000 videos over time. Now obviously this is going to take between 6 months to 1 year, 2 years to be able to earn this income, all this income altogether, but it will roughly take 6 months to 1 year to 1.5 years. Okay, so that's the power of YouTube search. These videos are still paying me 2 years later after I uploaded them, or even 3 years later after I uploaded them. So that's what you can do with this search-based channel, and you want to go ahead and you want to find the best topics that you can potentially upload onto your channel. So with this batch, I'm going to fill it up. It's currently now at 233 videos. What I'm going to do is upload videos onto my channel until it's 500, and then I'll wait 1 to 2 months, and then I'll give you the data based off those 500 videos on how much money I actually made. Now this can be a lot of information in one video. So what I've done for you is I've created a 100% free school community, which you can join at the first link in the video description. This is going to be a place where you can network and communicate with like-minded people, all doing YouTube search-based automation. Okay, you can ask all your questions in here in the actual community side of the community. So you can ask any sort of question here. Then if you go to the classroom, you can see that I have a beginner's guide to YouTube search-based automation, viral niches, and then you can even get one-on-one coaching if you want that. And as you can see here, I'm working on a search mastery course, but the beginner's guide and the viral niches is 100% free to get access to. So you can see all the videos that you can learn how to do search-based YouTube automation. And if you are more of a, so you can join that in the first link in the description. And if you're more of a Discord user, you can click the second link in the description. It'll take you to the Search Makers Discord group, where you can become a member of this community, all for free, no strings attached. If this video helped you out, drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.